Greetings to all. In this session, we're going to learn Maad concept that is known as long vowels in Arabic. So let's get started. Take out your notebook, open it from its back side, give it a heading, Maad concept, long sound or long vowels. Long vowels are formed with the help of short vowels. So here, Maad concept, and under Maad concept, there are three sounds: double A sound, double E sound, double O sound. Double A sound is formed with A in Hindi. Double E is formed with E. Double O is oo. So double A sound. Double A sound is formed with the help of alif plus fatha. Double E sound is formed with the help of ya plus kasra. Double O sound is formed with the help of wow plus dhamma. If I need to write ba, in this, my mouth is getting bigger. So here, I'm going to write ba plus alif and fatha on ba. So it is turned as b as the initial form, alif, and then fatha at the top of b. So it has turned to ba. Now if I need to write b, here I'm going to take ba with kasra plus ya. So it is turned as per initial form, ya, and there is kasra below ba. Now the other one is boo. Ba plus wow and the ma at the top of ba. So it is turned as ba, wow, and then dhamma at the top of ba. Now we're going to read all the letters with the sound double A sound. So here it is. Here it is. Alif plus fatha. So it is turned as double A. Now next is ba with alif and fatha. Ba. Next is ta. Tha. Somewhere it is known as tha in U.A.E and somewhere people call it as fa. Fa. Next is ja. This one is ha. Next, da. Here, dhal, alif plus fataha. So it is turned as dha. Next is ra, za, sa, sha, fa, ga. To. This letter is known as zo. Somewhere it is no. Somewhere in U.A.E. people call it as zo, and somewhere it is known as ro. Now next is o. Other one is ga, fa, qua, ka, la. When alif and lam are written together, it gets twist. So here it is written like this. This one is la. So that's why it has fatha, and the other one is alif. Ma, na, ha, va, and the last one is ya. So it is formed with the help of alif plus fatha. Now we're going to write it. Give heading Maad concept double-A sound. Draw margin on the right side. And now we're going to write double-A sound with all the letters. First, write down it is formed with the help of alif plus fatha. First is alif, having fatha on it. Next is ba, as we have done three forms of consonants. Here I'm going to use the initial form of all the letters as these are the first letter in the word. Next is ta. fa और था, जा, हा, दा, धा, रा, जा, सा, शा, वा, वा, तो, धो और जो, औ, गा, फा, क्वा, का, ला, मा, ना, हा, va, and the last one is ya. Now we're going to write its pronunciation. This is double A, ba, ta, tha, ja, kha, da, dha, ra, za, ta, sha, tho, go, to. This letter is known as dho somewhere in U.A.E, and somewhere people call it as zo. Here it is o, la, fa, qua, ka, la, ma, na, ha, va, na. So this is the Maad concept of double A sound. I hope that the concept is clear to you. Still, if you face any doubt, you can contact on my number. And in the next session, we're going to continue Maad concept of double E sound. Thank you for your patience here. Ma salama illallah.